Good morning, everybody. I am Raghu Kumar T, Assistant Professor of English, Government First Grade College, Badavnalli, Madhgiri Taluk. Today, I am going to discuss about Mulkraj Anand's Untouchable. I will be briefly touching on the subjects about Mulkraj Anand's birth, awards, his important novels, and about the caste system. We talked about Mulkraj Anand from the lesson Astrologer's Day. In this session, we will know about the author, his other important works apart from Untouchable, and we will also discuss about caste system in India. Mulkraj Anand was born on 12th December 1905 in Peshawar, India. Now it is in Pakistan. He was an Indian writer in English, notable for his depiction of the lives of the poorer castes in traditional Indian society. Anand is considered one of the pioneers of Indian writing in English. He is called one of the trios of Indian writers in English, apart from R.K. Narayan and Raja Rao. His novels, Coolie and Untouchable, set an entire generation of educated Indians thinking about India's social evils that were perpetuated in the name of religion and tradition. Through his writings, he revealed that in addition to the foreign colonialism of Britain, there existed layers of colonialism within Indian society. He was given various awards for his achievement like Padma Bhushan, Sahitya Academy Award, International Peace Prize. He has written many novels. Most important them are Untouchable, Coolie, Two Leaves and a Bud, The Village, Across the Black Waters, The Sword and the Sickle. India's caste system is perhaps the world's longest surviving social hierarchy. A defining feature of Hinduism, caste encompasses a complex ordering of social groups on the basis of ritual purity. In India, caste is based on the profession. There are four main castes. The first and the most important at the top is Brahmin. It is the first and the main caste. The Brahmins are decided by their profession. Their profession is priesthood and teaching. Then comes Kshatriyas, who are rulers and soldiers. After them comes Vaishyas, who are into profession of trading. And then comes Shudras, who are laborers and artisans. A fifth category falls outside the Varna system. They don't come within the four dominant castes. They are called untouchables, Dalits, Panchamas. They are often assigned tasks too ritually polluting to merit inclusion within the traditional Varna system, which you can see in the this photograph. Brahmins are at the topmost. Then comes Kshatriyas. Then comes Vaishyas. After them comes Shudras. Dalits, they are street sweepers and littering cleaners. Now we have Baka, the protagonist of our novel Untouchable. The same thing, you can see the hierarchy in this pyramid. Brahmins occupy the top post, then comes Kshatriyas, then come Vaishyas, and finally Shudras. The outcast, that is out of caste system, they are called untouchables. So untouchables don't fall in the ambit of the caste system which is there in Hinduism. Hindus consider their own brethren as untouchables. These are some of the MCQs that I have prepared for the benefit of our students. You can go through these also. Thank you.